everyone, welcome back to North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. Another exciting vlog, another exciting episode of Motorcycle Diaries exploring Kerala. And today in the evening we are once again in a beautiful place. Right, you can see all around the greenery that you can watch it out, right? And yesterday, as you might have all watched us in the super mini waterfall. I've never seen such a cute little waterfall ever in my life. Rainan is busy doing push-up right on the road. Come on, Sunny boy. And we have Ruel with us and also our lovely pet Tyson with us.
Yeah, Tyson, no.
We left our car over there and now we're gonna walk on foot exploring the beauty of this place. Yesterday, Satish and I had to rush back immediately because, you know, the black clouds, literally it was dark black clouds right on our heads, and we need to rush back because we were on our motorcycle on our Royal Enfield, but today we came in a car, so we just gonna go and explore that mini waterfall once again along with the kids because kids were super excited to see the super mini waterfall. So we said, okay, fine, today we'll take you guys and we can shot something more for our friends over here. We have Tyson also exploring, sniffing and enjoying the lovely place here on this little hill in Padnapura. So half the way we came in car, and now itself I can hear the sound of the waterfall.
Wait, what?
So boy,
So we're gonna explore this place on foot.
yeah,
That's the purpose of today's
vlog.
vlog. And today we are came well prepared because we came with a gang and with a car. Look at that. My God.
So boys, can you hear the sound of the
Now look
waterfall?
at that mountain.
Yes.
This is cool.
And friends, if you haven't subscribed our videos, we remember you. And friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, we request you to please subscribe our channel. Hit on the subscription button, bell icon. Do take 1 minute time to write something to us in the comment section.
Can you hear some sound?
Yeah, I can hear that.
Yeah. We almost reached. Look at that mountain, guys. This is really awesome. My God. They're not putting any only this side. They are not even putting the rubber, right?
Yeah,
Just like how steep it is.
yeah.
Look at that.
Tough to climb up. Tough to do the plantation.
Can you hear something?
Tyson!
The waterfall sound.
Yeah.
Tyson!
Tyson is venturing out. I think this waterfall you will not get worried because it's a shallow one, especially on the road.
Waterfall.
Micro mini waterfall it is. Tyson, how's the water, baby?
No, don't make it
it
wet.
wet. It is cold. We actually wanted to come in the afternoons, but since it was raining in the afternoon, so we just had a short nap. And then once again, Satish and Stuti is back on the wheels to bring lovely footage and videos for you all. So Ruel and Rainan are venturing into that super mini waterfall. I told boys not to wear shoes so that they can enjoy the water. They can enjoy the waterfall. It's really nice and cool water. Don't make yourself fully wet. Yeah, it's shallow. Just enjoy till your knees, okay? Don't make yourself upper body wet because we don't have spare clothes of you guys with me. Look at this, honey. Honey, look at this. Tyson also keeping his 2 paws. How's the water? Is it cold? Turn towards Dada. Turn towards Dada. Show your face. Ruel, Rainan, talk. Remove your mask. You can talk. Talk to Dada. Talk something. So kids are enjoying the super mini waterfall. How is it, boys? It's good. Okay, don't wet yourself, okay? Tyson, how is it? Good? Oopsie doopsie.
Can't go there because
Honey?
We don't need to create soap and water. Look at this.
Tyson and me are having a nice stroll. He's dragging me everywhere. But he is happy. Tyson, are you happy, baby? This is fine, no? It's not far away. It's not deep. Right? Baby is happy. Taju? Where's Ruel Bhaiya? Where's Renan Bhaiya? Ask them. Oh, that's the camera. Don't jump on that. Dada. Okay. See, he's happy. He also, you want to go there? You go with Dada over there. Go. Wanna go there with Ruel Bhaiya and Renan? So this mini waterfall is coming all the way from the tall mountain. On the right hand side there are many small rubber trees. They are the tender ones. Onto our left, and on the right hand side there's no plantation. I don't know why, but this place is awesome. It looks really beautiful. Renan is trying to catch up to try to go from that side, honey. On the left, he is trying to go. So Dada is not giving permission, and the water is just going down. The water is just flowing from the road. Quite shallow and fun to see this water going. Nicely, you can wade through. Right, you can wade through in the cool water, and from here it is going down. The water is nice and cool, nice to wade through. Renan got another little stone over there to sit, and from here the water is gushing down over there, so you can find another super mini waterfall. And this is amazing. There's a pipeline going on over here. There are two pipes. I don't know for what it is. Some pipe water supply, right?
Jason is venturing here. He came all by himself. You guys are watching his perspective.
He wants to go and explore.
Oh my god, he's going up.
As he didn't go, he's going up.
Okay, it's coming back up.
He's coming back. Guys, let's go.
Yeah. Children had little fun. Tyson also had fun. Me and Satish also had fun. We got a little bit wet. That's fine.
My third was that.
So now we need to go to that house which just looks like a abandoned one.
Haunted house.
Guys, in this jungle we are going to see some abandoned house.
Haunted house.
Haunted house?
Let's open it and see what.
Let's check it
It's
out.
already been opened. It's already opened one. So we'll go and watch an abandoned house here.
Yeah.
Let's see what brings over there, right?
Yeah. What is
So
there?
let's see what is in store over there in the abandoned house. So we are going over there. The sky is not clear at all. Past 5 days, this is what's happening in our place. I think all across Kerala.
Yeah. 11, 12 districts have been given orange alert.
Yeah.
It's been raining.
So that's why evening time mostly we do the videos at evening.
Yeah.
But it's not happening nowadays.
Today afternoon also we wanted to come, but then it was raining, so we just had to wait for the rain to go
But it's
down.
really refreshing somehow over there.
Yeah. Full forest, full greenery. There our Blackie is waiting for us near the bus shed. Children are happy, running on the road. Yeah, run baby, run. So we have left the waterfall at the back, and now it's safe to take out. It's safe to take out. Now we're gonna go a little bit walkie down over there, and there is one abandoned house over there, yellow color. Yes, I don't know, it's a haunted house. Right over there, under
This is the real protector.
under the coconut tree and a couple of trees over there.
Let's take a shortcut and just drive down there.
No, we can't take a shortcut. There's a road, full tar road, which goes down. So we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk down and see what holds over there in that abandoned house. Is it a haunted house or it is just a house which is not being used? Let's go and check it out, friends.
I don't believe in this.
So there's a nice road going down. So there's no need of hill climbing.
Take the car and go. It's quite far.
Yeah, it's far. So just a twist in the plan. Satish and Renan will come in the car while Tyson, myself and Ruel Bhaiya will go walkie-walkie to that abandoned house. Okay, come.
Cameraman.
So let's go fast. Let's get going and check the haunted house.
Guys, wanna come in?
No, we are fine.
I'm actually doing some thug life work, like the military SWAT sitting on the outside of the car. Don't go fast, please. Hello.
Hi.
Shout them, not shoot them.
Let's go.
Look at that.
Bye bye, Mama Dada. Bye bye, Ruel Mama.
Tyson is running
Oh,
behind the car.
Tyson alert. Bye, guys. Bye. Have a good day. He's running after the car.
Well, now
Let's
I
do the
also
road.
need to run because Satish is going really ahead. So let me get going.
Mama, I'm coming.
Yeah. So guys, we have reached the haunted house. Right over there, that yellow color house. I need Satish permission. Can I just go a little closer and
No,
find out?
no, you're not. Because it's a haunted house. Annie, don't go.
So this is very beautiful. So this is an abandoned house. There's nobody inside and there are no ghosts also inside. So nothing to worry. Lovely beautiful mountain every side and awesome greenery, guys. This is so refreshing. It is so amazing. Different shades of greenery, different types of trees, and this place looks exotic. So all those who are planning, once again I'm telling you, you're planning your trip to Kerala, remember to watch us, remember to subscribe our channel so that every day 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time we post our video so you can explore unexplored places, unique places in our channel along with us, North Meet South by Satish and Stuti. So Tyson, Renan, Ruel, Satish and myself, we are saying bye-bye to you. Our car is parked over there. It's getting quite dark. So we are going home now. See you tomorrow in the next episode. Remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Till then, Satish and Stuti says bye-bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow at 12 p.m. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.